Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off location on Instagram map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Instagram. Then tap your profile. Tap three line. Scroll down. Tap story and location. Tap location sharing. From here, you can select it. For example, if you select this friends or close friends, just change it to no one and select it until you turn it back on. Okay, now not sharing location. Great. Another step to turn off location on Instagram map is to open settings, scroll down, find privacy and security. Click privacy and security. Location services. Find Instagram app. Click this one and select it never. That's the way to completely turn off location on Instagram map. That's all. Have a nice time.